uCertify offers CompTIA CSP certification prep for security professionals. So, start your prep for CompTIA CSP certification exam from today with uCertify. To be a CompTIA CSP certified professional, you'll have to pass CES 002 exam. CompTIA CES 002 exam covers enterprise security, research and analysis, risk management and incident response, technical integration of enterprise components, integration of computing, communications and business disciplines. In uCertify course, you'll be receiving 160 practice questions. It includes 19 lessons with interactive learning resources, such as over 647 flashcards, 170 quizzes, and 647 glossary of terms. The course has more than 73 performance-based labs to supplement training by simulating real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments. Finally, once you achieve a rank score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you'll be able to apply critical thinking and judgment across a broad spectrum of security disciplines to propose and implement sustainable security solutions that map to organizational strategies. To explore more about the uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/CompTIA/Pearson CES 002 complete. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.